Okay, it was asked how to make a sponsorship payment for our Indian children. So I'm going to try to walk us through this. I'm doing this also for the first time. Go online, and in your search box, type in, oops, not S, we're going to type in Indian children. And I've been to the website before, so it immediately pops up. It's indianchildren.se. I'm going to select that and wait for it to load. And again, you can see in the search box, you can see the website name. It comes up in Swedish. We want to be able to read it in English, so go to the upper left where the 3 lines are. Select that and go down to where you see the British flag. Select, and it will reload in English. Voila, we can read it. We want to sponsor our child. We want to pay for our sponsor child. So again, go back up to the 3 lines in the upper left corner. Select, go to the gift shop. In the gift shop, scroll down, and there's the 3 children with the books in their hands. Sponsorship payment, select that. Scroll down. It says choose the amount. When you look at their website, the amount for sponsorship is 250 SEK, which I believe is Swedish kroners. So we're going to type in 250. I've already tried to do it in dollars and that didn't work. So we're doing it in 250 kroners. Add to cart. And my cart says 250 kroners, so you know that is not US dollars. And I'm going to view my cart. I guess I'm viewing it already. I should have checked out. Okay, my total is 250. Proceed to checkout. Billing details. First name, last name, company name, country. United States, there we are. Our street address, phone, email, create an account, your order. Okay, so there it is on the bottom. It shows us pay with your credit card via swipe or credit or debit card and place your order. And it should be as easy as that. I don't know if you will see in your bank account an additional charge, maybe like a 10% charge for converting US dollars to kroners. I'm not sure. We'll have to let each other know as we walk through this and do it. But I hope that helps. Good luck.